trail looks nice, really. I want to go down there one of these days. Is there even a way to get to the actual bird island?
Obviously.
It doesn't look like there's a bridge or anything.
You can walk. Look how shallow it is.
You could get dragged by the current. That may look shallow, but it's probably several feet deep. Imagine how big those waves are when you're actually down there. Like if you can actually notice the waves from up here, they must be big. Ow, can I sound this? So when are we gonna go down there? Like one of these days?
That's where we went down. The sandy area there.
Yeah.
That's where we went down before.
Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. 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 Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think